Hey, what's up, my millionaire brother? Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you to how much XRP gone up in upcoming days. Yes, it's the end of month. They give us how much result, how much profit. So let's see to what's going on in XRP today. Result is absolutely very important for this decision. Today going up or they going down in upcoming days. So let's start the XRP price production, guys. But XRP holder, if you are new on our YouTube channel, then please click out the subscribe button. Please, if you are new, then most welcome, subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. Hope you click the red button. Okay, guys, so first of all, I'm gonna show you the last 1 hour latest result to what's going on in the last 1 hour, and then we decide to they going up or in upcoming days or they going down. So this is absolutely very important because the people starting selling or buying, this is absolutely good decision for good profit. Okay, so this time you can see here the chain actor -1 or plus 1.5% going up. Congratulations, my friend. Xrp starting moving up. But if you know the last previous Xrp totally gone down. This time you can see here the latest price is going up. Definitely they can cross $2. This is you can see here, this is easy to they hit $2 if they move like this. You can see at the time was $1.84. Just 16, I think, point they need to cross $2. So I hope they can hit it. Okay, so let's come to the last 24-hour result to what's going on, and then we decide to they going up or they going down. Oh my goodness, absolutely, I am right, and I hope which why I want this to do, they do it, man. You can see here this time 1% chance occur in the last 24 hour. Otherwise, in the last 7 days they gone totally down. You can see here in the graph result they totally go down in the previous 24 hour also. But at the mid of for tomorrow, I think they are going up, they starting moving up. So I think they are going very highly up. I think you can see here this time 1.87 US dollar is the price. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I hope they're going up to $2. They hit $2 today. Absolutely, they can hit it $2. What you say? Please tell me. But my expectation is very good from XRP, my friend. If XRP gonna move like this, absolutely, definitely they can hit it. They can hit it. Yes, they can hit it. Absolutely, they hit it. This is very easy, not hard, my friend. I hope they can hit it. What you say? What you say? Please tell me. XRP cross $2 just and today. Absolutely, I challenge you to XRP cross it. What you say? Please tell me. And please, if you want to need this type more informative videos, then please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all videos notification. I update you at the mid of this day. Okay, anytime XRP holder, I update you. If they take a good jump, then I updating you. Please click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.